Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I am dropping in to share with you a new layout that I created using the Currently Story Kit by Ali Edwards. This is my first layout that I created using this kit. I have a handful of stories that I want to tell with this kit. Maybe 6 or 7, but this is the first anyways. I knew that I wanted to marry creating with my Cricut and the Currently kit together. So I began with my Cricut first. I found a floral image on the Cricut, changed it to a draw file instead of a cut file, and then attached it to a rectangle that measures 4 by 6 inches. So essentially I created my own journal card that's 4 by 6 inches. Right now I'm just coloring in that floral image that I drew with my Cricut. I just used a black pen to draw it. If you are curious to know what size pen nib, it was a 0.4 black pen. I don't know the exact name of the black pen. I think it's Midnight Black that I used, but don't quote me on it. I also added a little phrase to my journal card as well that says this just in. The story that I am sharing today in this layout is actually about getting this kit in the mail. My husband and I had a bet going that he thought that it would arrive last week Friday. I thought that it would arrive yesterday. Today's Tuesday, and that's when this video is being posted to YouTube. But I wasn't entirely sure when it was going to come. It takes quite a while for what I call Ali mail to show up in my mailbox, like at least 3 weeks, if not a little bit longer. So I knew that the day was approaching that the kit would arrive in the mail, but I didn't know exactly what day it was. I ended up winning the bet. It was just an unofficial one, so no boasting rights involved, but I did win, for the record. So I also wanted to create a shaker pocket in this layout as well. I did dive into my stash and pull out this 3x4 journal card with the different color stripes on it. I wish I hadn't done that. I'm locked into it though, because after I added the sequins, I used my fuse tool to adhere the pocket closed. I had pulled out a gold journal card. Well, it was white, but it had gold foil print on it. Or I could have used an Ali Edwards journal card, which I should have done that to begin with, but I didn't. I pulled this one out instead. And it wasn't the right call. So I'm a little disappointed in myself for the choice that I made, but it is what it is. I pulled it out because it coordinated really nicely with this felt flower that is included in the Currently Story Kit. Here's my fuse tool, by the way. The journal card and the photo that is on the back side of it, I trimmed down just a little bit smaller than 3x4 inches so that I would have enough room at the top of the pocket to fuse it together. So it's just a smidge smaller. So that is all adhered now. I have some sequins in there just from my stash. And I'm going back to this 4x6 journal card that I created with my Cricut. And I'm going to add some of the chipboard that came in the Currently kit to the bottom of that as well. Once I have that adhered, and I'm also going to add a phrase sticker that came with the kit, which says, "For the record," on it. Once I have those adhered, this layout is done. It came together really quickly. The longest part of this entire layout was the time that it took to draw and cut the images with my Cricut and then color it in. The rest came together super quick. I believe that scrapbooking should be quick and easy and fun, of course, and that is the reason why I draft my layouts first in Cricut Design Space and then apply that design to paper once I have it sorted out. So as I mentioned earlier, here are the word/phrase stickers from the Currently kit. It is going to go over top of the chipboard half circle that I had adhered to the layout. I am going to use that darker green asterisk as well. It's going to be adhered last though, just so that I can get the phrase sticker in the right place. And then I'll use liquid glue to attach that asterisk as well. I used liquid glue to attach the half circle to the bottom of the journal card. And that's it for me today, friends. I hope you enjoyed my layout. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and a like. Feel free to stick around for the close-ups because they are coming up at the end of this video. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so happy that you're here. Sorry, my husband phoned and cut me off mid-sentence. So anyways, that is it, friends. Have a fantastic Tuesday, and I will be back again soon.